So not using. Great, that's better. Want to make a thumbnail on Canva? I don't know how. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make an eye-catching thumbnail on Canva. And it works if you're just a beginner or immediate pro. There we go. And so you go to search, and you can type in YouTube thumbnails, but I already have it. So let me YouTube thumbnail. You got these templates to choose from, but if you want to choose your own, alright, that's good. For some reason it ain't working. Let's see the size on here. Okay. And you bought your screen that has also templates. So I'm gonna go here. Background. You also got visibility and pencils. There's also websites that you can get the view from and slides. Video, not so much. Take the color, then also search background. So I also have a model channel, so I try to find Spider-Man. Okay, I never use a Kelly color. I was thinking of a color wheel. Night blue. And you go back and here it is. Or go to template. Pick one of these. I'm gonna pick one I use recently used. Okay, so it says tutorial page, not one of my branding things. Leave that. Edit this. Now this may or may not be my thumbnail for this video. See, that's the thing. And now you want to make the font easy to read. I mean, that's kind of easy. But people are nailing at your thumbnails for just a second to read it and analyze it. So you go to font, and you go to Open Sans. And you want to rearrange the size from this. So, here we go. And you want to make this bigger. So I figure out, well, I know how to do it as soon as I do it. And when you get bigger, people can see it easier. It goes more eye-catching. Okay. And one of the first things you can do when you make a thumbnail on any app at all is to show them something that they get. So let me show you a sample here. I'm gonna go to Intimate. So this is thumbnail, but it's particularly a YouTube thumbnail. So you can go to here, YouTube logo, and you already seen I already had one. Then you click on each pro you can't use unless you have a pro account. Since I figure out how to do your favorite marketing for Canva, I'll show you well, give you an easy way to use Pro. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the ice. Nice so you can understand it. Now I can't really do it like your thumbnail thing. So I make it knowing that my eye-catching thumbnails than the YouTube, so that doesn't know it's for YouTube. Then you go to the top right, and you see right here, Yes, my arrows are bad. It's done now. See what's in it, and then there you go. I want to make a second thumbnail. Just to really see the whole tutorial. This is a YouTube thumbnail tutorial video. So, let's go to replace. To do next is go back to background. And you pick a color on one of these. I'm gonna pick a color. I'll pick green this time because green's eye-catching. The only one I'm gonna pick red because red is the color of YouTube. So let's go right by that. Place down. See if I can make this bigger. I can make it a little bit bigger. Now go to here. Okay. You got font combination, all this stuff. I usually see it, and that's what not people do. So to add a heading. But you do you. I'm gonna add an extra 3 words in there to make this even more eye-catching. This will explain what the video is about. Then make eye-catching thumbnails or make them look at the title. And make them intrigued. So, YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Bigger. Because bigger is better. Okay, make that right there. And you don't want to make your thumbnail or text go to here because the timestamp will lock it. So you want to make it go to here or for a picture of you in the right. Well, in this case, I might put it in the middle. And now we got this dividing it, but it's kind of in the way. Okay, and that's in there too because the T's out of that picture. Yep, can't make that bigger. I'm definitely going with this thumbnail at first. It's definitely better. And that's how you make an eye-catching thumbnail. I watched this video coming up. It will tell you I add a thumbnail tutorial which will help you make better thumbnails. But I guarantee you it's not good as this one, but it is good. Also, if you like these videos, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and that is all. Have a great day.